Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we're going to have a look at a TD30D. It's a multi-tool. It's the 12 volt CXT multi-tool. This one, I've got a couple of these. This one has started to make a very funny noise, and the battery, the motor's making a bit of a noise. So I've taken it apart. I've tried to clean it up, see if it's sort of full of dust, and which it was, and just to see whether we can bring it back to life for a bit longer. But unfortunately, I feel that the motor has had it. So I've bought a new one from a lovely parts company. I'll put a link to the parts company I used. I guess one of the things that I find about, the parts are relatively cheap, but the delivery always makes it difficult to just order one bit at a time. And so I've been saving up a whole bunch of little bits that I need, and I've just put a little order in, and they've all arrived today, so we get to fix this one. So what I'll do is I'll just hook the bad motor up again, and I'll just show it to you misbehaving, and then we'll put this back together, which I think will be nearly as good as taking it apart. I've just put a battery back on temporarily. There's the sliding switch, but obviously hanging out of the thing. This will make a horrible noise, and I've tried a little bit of WD-40 and all sorts to see if I can get it to ease up, but it's not having it. So prepare your ears for something unpleasant. And as if multi-tools weren't painful enough to listen to. So we're going to swap this motor out, and we'll see how that sounds. New motor's in, and it really is night and day. That sounds beautifully smooth and ready to do another great job. So I think all in all, this had maybe 5-6 years worth of hard labour. So not bad. The motor itself, I think, was about £12-13. The delivery was about £4 something, maybe. But as I said, I combined it with a whole bunch of other little bits. One of the little bits that I actually ordered is the screw that goes in the end. Yes, there we are. I ordered 2 of those in the end. The Allen keys seem to just chew them up, and you try and do them tighter and tighter, and just to stop the blades from vibrating off. Not a great design, Makita. I think in the larger, more expensive multi-tools that they have, they've got this nice lever system. And the other thing I bought is a replacement sprayer nozzle. Again, £3-4. It's quite a lot there, but of course you don't want to pay £10 when it's £3-4 plus £3-4 delivery plus some VAT. So yeah, that's the little bits that I bought. There's more as well, actually, but I won't bore you with that. So let me go through and reassemble this. So there's this gearbox will go on, and then where's the lid? Oh, it's right here, of course. And then we'll reassemble the lid nicely, and then there's a sliding mechanism. Yes, there is a little sliding part for the switch. The switch lives in here, and then that's operated with that. I've given the whole case a good wash. I mean, it really was absolutely filled full of plaster. We use this generally for cutting plasterboard boxes, and for getting us out of trouble with a little bit of wood. As I say, it's a nice lightweight machine. One of the things that you may experience, and I have put this in a video that I've made before, is the little anti-vibration rubber parts on the back. they rub along this battery. This is a non-Makita one, but it's done it to all of them. And it just melts this piece of plastic along here through it vibrating back and forth. But there you are. Right, so I'll put this back together and then you'll see it working, hopefully nice and new. All back together now, and a little bit of vibration on it, but so much better than it was. So there we go, all fixed. Thanks again for watching Bodge It with Brian. If you're not already a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button, ding the bell, and we'll let you know when those next videos come out.